Hey everyone, welcome back to HelloVSTV. Today we have received this product from MOVA, who is the sponsor of today's video. This is not an audio or video product. This is a next generation AI lawn mower, the MOVA LiDax Ultra 3000 all-wheel drive. And honestly, the look of this product is like crazy. It's like a Ferrari car. As you see on my background, it is working. So let's dive in and test and go for the details. This is the MOVA's premium flagship model, and the idea is simple. Fully automate your lawn care with AI LiDAR and smart mapping without wires, without complicated setup. The real question is, does this actually replace traditional mowing? And how smart is it in the real life? So let's test it out. First thing that impresses is the navigation system. This uses something called UltraView 3.0, which combines 360-degree 3D LiDAR, dual HDR cameras, up to 70 meters detection range. And what that means in real life is this mower literally scans your entire yard in 3D and builds a map. No boundary wires, no RTK stations. You just turn it on and it maps everything automatically in minutes. And inside the app, you can create up to 150 mowing zones. You can set no-go areas, customize each section of your lawn. So if you have different areas, front yard, backyard, garden, it handles all of that. And what I really like, you can even run dual maps, meaning two completely separate areas without needing another mower. That's actually a big deal. MOVA LiDax Ultra 3000 all-wheel drive uses a dual-disc cutting system with 15.8-inch cutting width, 36-watt high-power system, double pass cutting for great results. And what that means? You are not getting those uneven patches like cheaper robotic mowers. It cuts twice, giving you much more professional finish. So even if your lawn is not perfect, it still cuts evenly without damaging the grass. And edge cutting is very important. This gets within about 3 cm from edges, which is actually really tight for a robotic mower. So overall, performance-wise, this feels much closer to a real mower than most robots. Now this is where things get really interesting. This is an all-wheel drive system with 4 motors. That means it can climb slopes up to 80% incline, handles uneven terrain, crosses small obstacles easily. This one actually handles hills like nothing. So if your lawn is not flat, this is a huge advantage. This mower can also recognize over 300 different objects: toys, tools, pets, people, even small items like balls or hoses. And it avoids them in real time, so you don't have to clean your entire lawn before using it. On top of that, you also get anti-theft tracking, app alerts, live monitoring with camera, and even yard security mode, which is actually crazy. It's not just a mower, it's also a smart yard guard system. Setup is super simple. Download the app, connect with Wi-Fi, map your yard, start mowing. And that's it. No cables, nothing complicated. So overall, this is easily one of the most advanced robotic mowers we have seen. This is all about this review from Beverly Hills, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next one.